Hello guys and welcome to Deep Clean with me to Sweden. This home is full of trashes and me and my friend Bonnia are loving it. I'm the best cleaner in the world and Bonnia is the second best. And we both are from Finland and we traveled from there to Sweden doing all of this for free because we have the same sponsor, Cine Cleaning, who's absolutely amazing and it's covering all the expenses like hotels, flights, food, everything you can imagine, everything that we might need for cleaning this house. And we both love cleaning so much. This is like dream come true, truly. Because at the same time, we are also having so much fun. We are constantly talking, constantly having fun, and this is our thing, you know. So yeah, cleaning with friends can be super fun, right? But of course, that's not all, because we are helping this resident at the same time. Actually, I think she's a house owner. Yeah, this older lady, she also has a cat.